Let's see if you can copy this. I'm going to see if I can do a turn, and I'm going to try and keep my skis like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move both my feet and both my knees together to the left. So watch my skis. So they go dead straight. And then they both come around together. Yeah! Do you think you can keep doing that on both sides?
Sure.
Yeah? Have a go. You go first. Do like 3 turns so I can watch you from behind, okay? Or 2 turns on each side.
Can I do one more time?
Yeah, of course.
Because I can't do it.
So I'm getting both my feet to move at the same. So if you watch my feet, both my feet stay together. So there's no pizza. It's just all together. Does that make sense? See if you can do... So see if we can do it without doing a pizza. So show me 2 turns and 2 turns. So no pizza. Yeah. And then the other way with no pizza. Yeah. And then no pizza the other way. Yeah. Nice. This is okay. That's really good, Estelle. Let's see if we can ski the whole way to the lift. And let's do only pizza now and again.
Only pizza.
No, only pizza a little bit at a time. See if we can do no pizza.
Okay.
So no pizza from here to the left. Let's see what happens. And then if we have to do a little bit of a pizza, it's okay. All right?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Do you want me to go in front, yeah? Okay, if you have to use a pizza down here, it's okay, because it's a little bit steeper. Just launches off a blind roller. Very good. Okay. So we're going to go straight the whole way to the left and see if we can do no pizza. So I'm trying to keep my skis together the whole time. There you go, you can show your mum that you just did a whole blue run. Fist bump.